everyone. This is the Free American Press with your host, Alexander Horat. Before we begin, if you could please subscribe to the channel and leave a like on the video, that would be really great. So today I'm going to be talking about the gold and silver prices and the precious metal prices. So we see today, actually, silver hits an all-time high. So I'm going to share the screen to show you what I'm talking about so everybody can see what's going on. So it says silver's at $55.63. So it beat its all-time high of $54.34 from this year. So silver's on the track for going higher and higher. And I think many of the reasons why it's going higher is because people don't trust the US dollar. They don't trust the government printing people's savings away. They don't trust how the Federal Reserve is going to lower interest rates. So they've been lowering interest rates right now in a period of huge inflation, and they have indicated that they may be lowering interest rates even more, so that will help the silver and precious metal values go up as well. And other reasons, we're on the brink of war with Venezuela, and there's a lot of bad things going on in the world right now, so people are wanting more of the strategic metals to prepare for war, which silver's been put as a strategic metal. So now we look at gold prices. Gold's been going up as well quite a bit. It's at $4,217. So it's actually, if we look at year to date, so it's a little lower than its all-time high. So gold isn't hasn't quite caught up to silver yet in terms of it going up to its all-time high. We see right here, gold went up 1% today. Silver went up basically 2%. So that's huge. But we also see the platinum markets going up quite a bit, 2.77%, which is a really big move. And platinum for its year to date is pretty much at its all-time high. It's a little bit less, but as you all know, platinum used to be worth more than gold. So platinum's actually at an extreme low compared to its all-time high. Uh, and actually, platinum is a more strategic metal. Well, I mean, it's much more rarer than gold, and it's used in a lot of catalytic converters and other things like that. So it's pretty important metal, but and it's much rarer. I just don't think people see it as much as a storage of wealth. They see it more as an industrial metal, so that's why it's cheaper than gold, even though it's 40 times rarer than gold in the ground. But maybe once people start seeing this as platinum as real wealth, like gold and silver have been for thousands of years, then maybe it will go up higher. And it's industrial based. We'll see what happens to its industrial base to change it. So, and palladium is also quite high at one extra 1%. If we look at its year to date, it's not quite at its high for the year to date, but it's still pretty high. It's going up higher. But if we look at all, it used to be actually at its all-time high, $3,000. So palladium has gone way down in regards to that. So I think it's pretty big news for investors that silver's going up. I think it's going to continue to go up with everything that's going on, especially with the U.S. continuing inflating the currency away, having a weaker dollar. So your silver and dollars is going to be worth a lot more than it is. We could see a pullback, of course, but I think that's kind of unlikely with all the geopolitical events going on and seeing how silver is really remaining strong right now. It's like this video wouldn't be able to be made without silver. Silver's one of the most important metals in the world, followed by copper. Or copper might be more important, but that's really industrial. Copper has been seen as money for thousands of years. They use copper coins, but generally copper prices have been suppressed. And I think the reason for that is because they want to keep it cheap for manufacturing. But I think we could see a breakout for copper, and we also see them building nuclear plants. They're wanting to build more nuclear plants throughout the world. That's going to cost a lot more silver to create these nuclear plants, especially in China. China's really moving towards nuclear energy, and even the entire world, it seems. So uranium prices are going to go up as well. So I really say all commodities are going to go up, even oil. Uh, but I think oil could go down if the United States takes over Venezuela, because then it'll have a cheap supplier for oil or a friendly country to get oil from. I think the United States has a lot of sanctions on Venezuelan oil right now, so we don't get any oil from Venezuela or very little. So we'll see what happens there. But I just would like to thank everyone for watching this video and this silver market update. And if you like the video, please subscribe to the channel. That really helps me out. And please share it with your friends. And thank you all for watching. please comment, and I hope you all have a great day.